In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Apple ID password. There are several reasons someone might need to change their Apple ID password, such as security concerns, forgetting the current password, or wanting to update it for personal reasons. It's a good practice to periodically change passwords to enhance security and protect accounts from unauthorized access. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the Settings page, tap onto your Apple ID name. You will then select on the second option of Password and Security. On this page, tap on Change Password. It's the first option. You will be required to enter your current iPhone passcode. You will have to enter your new password. Go ahead and re-enter that same exact password to verify. Tap on Change and your Apple ID password will get changed successfully. That's how easy it is to change your password for your Apple ID. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.